Hello, I am Dr. Shailendra Dhawan from Faridabad, India. We are treating skin diseases, especially vitiligo and psoriasis since last 20 years. Today I will like to share with you some of my cases which we have treated. Some of the patients are under treatment at present or some have completed their treatment. This is the first case I will like to show you. This is Mr. Yash. Look at the face of this patient, almost white, and after the treatment of Ayurvedic medication for 3 months, this is the picture, say 30 to 40% improvement. After 6 to 7 months of the treatment, these are the results which we have achieved using Ayurvedic medicine. This is the patient. You can see the left side of the face, you can see the ear, you can see on the forehead, on the neck, almost white, and this is during the treatment. 9 months have passed, ears are almost fine, forehead is good, and the treatment is still going on. This is the other side of this, the same patient. Again, ear are white, forehead is white, and this is during the treatment. Ear have cleared, forehead is improving, neck is improving. This is very interesting case. Disease started very quickly, spread very rapidly. Within 4 months, eyes were almost white. Patient came to us in the early stages and we started Ayurvedic treatment using internal medication and also the external medication. Toxin removing drugs were given, and these are the results. Within 3 months of the treatment, the patient is 100% fine. This is the next patient I will like to show you. These are hands cases are supposed to be very difficult to treat areas, because if the white patches appear on the lips or on the hands, they are considered the most tough cases. So I will like to show you this picture. This is the patient which came to us last year, and these were the patches on the hands, and just I will like to show you the picture. The improvement is 80 to 90% in 9 months of the treatment. This is a good achievement of Ayurveda. In this patient, we have also integrated it with Puva lamp. Medicines were used, and along with that Puva lamp was also used. This is the next patient. This is the picture which we have taken after 6 months of the treatment. Initial pictures we are not having. Whole of the abdomen was almost white in this case. Now, as you can see, lot of pigmentation has started appearing. This is the results after 1.5 years of treatment. This patient is very dedicated. Patient has used our medicine, internal Ayurvedic medicine, some external herbal applications, along with that Puva therapy. But this patient is an Indian and sun exposure was easily available. So we didn't use Puva light, we used sun exposure in this case, and the results are amazing. This is again, as you can see, face is almost white, kid 6 years of age, parents were very much worried, and these are the results achieved within 9 months of treatment. As you can see in this picture, the almost whole of the face is fine now. Now you can see the back of this lady. She came to us, she was very worried, the disease was spreading, it was on the back, on the hands, on the lips, it was spreading like wildfire. But we started using Ayurvedic medicine, internal medicine and external herbal preparations. Within 7 months of the treatment, as you can see in this picture, the back is almost clear, the face part is also very good, it's clear, and spreading of the disease has been stopped and the patient is very happy now. This is a picture of the patient which was segmental vitiligo to start with, but a small patch arose on the right side of the nipple. Segmental vitiligos are supposed to be very difficult to treat cases, but as you can see in this picture, these are the results which we have achieved in 6 months of the treatment, and within 1 year patient is 90% fine and the treatment is still going on. As you can see in this case, almost from elbow to the wrist joint, white patch is there. Patient came to us in the spreading stage. As you can see, when we start the treatment, repigmentation started and these black patches have started to appear. After 9 months, this is the stage. At present, patient is under my treatment, and it appears that within 1.25 year we can cure this patient. This is the next case I will like to show you. This patient has diffuse white patches on the legs, on the arms. Treatment started using Ayurvedic medication and sun exposure. You can see the results. These are the results achieved in 9 months of the treatment. treatment is still going. These are the hard patches because the leftover area there was no black pigments below the skin. That is the reason these patches are left. Now to cure this, we have to work hard. We have to squeeze them because black patches will not appear on these patches which are left. We have to squeeze them. I will explain you how this is done in our next videos. This is the case I will like to show you. This is a girl having white patches on the back, also on the chest. Treatment started using Ayurvedic medication. These are the results. As you see, the black dots have started appearing on the back. These are the results after 9 to 10 months of the treatment, and now you can see the patient is fully cured. This is again the picture of a boy 6-7 years old on the neck. Treatment started using Ayurveda, and as you can see 95% of the recovery is there in this case. This is the next case I will like to show you. This is the young girl near marriageable age. Parents were very worried about the marriage. Patient visited our clinic, and these are the pictures I am showing you. These are the first picture of this patient of the neck. Almost the disease spreading, and speed is very fast, spreading rapidly. After 3 months of the treatment, these are the pictures I am showing you. You can see in this picture the color of the skin has become slightly pink, and this is very important observation because with the treatment, when the color of the skin become pink, then the recovery become very fast. And in this case, as you can see, the repigmentation has started and the color of the skin is also pink. And this is the next picture. After 9 months of the treatment, we have achieved 80 to 90% of the recovery, and within 1 year almost patient is cured. Small patches are left. We are managing this with Puva Light now. As you can see in this case, arms are there, white patches on the arms. Treatment is being done, almost cured. Slightly on the bony area are hard to treat areas. The patches left on this in this case are on the bony area, and Puva therapy will be used. The recovery will be good in this case. As you can see, this patient, the patches are on the face, treated using Ayurvedic medicine. 6 months of the treatment, patient is cured. Again in this case, white patches on the ear. After 6 months of the treatment, these are the patches, patient is cured. This is very interesting case. I can show you white patches on the skin. Patient visited us. Patient has got many kind of treatments before he visited us. He has used homeopathy, he has used Chinese medication, he has used many type of medication before he visited us. We started the Ayurvedic treatment in this case, and as you can see, the repigmentation has started, and this is the result after 1 year of the treatment. The parents are very happy and the patient is cured. As you can see in this case, almost full face is going to become white. In this case, we got amazing results within the 6th month of the treatment. As you can see in this picture, almost fully recovered within 6 months of the treatment. These are the patches on the hip side, recovered very well within 6 to 9 months of the treatment. These are the patches which are considered very difficult to treat. Patches on the lips and on the margin of the lip, but the patient got very good results using Ayurvedic medication. As you can see in this picture, the patient is 100% cured within 9 months to 12 months of the treatment. This is the case of a kid, 6-year-old. The disease was spreading, and patient was very worried. Parents were very worried in this case, and the lips were also involved, fingertips were involved. We started integration approach in this case, and as you can see the results in this case. I will like to share with you one of my cases. In this case, what will you observe is the patient is having vitiligo on the face and also on the lips. Treating the vitiligo patches on the face is not a very difficult task. We treated this patient for 3 to 4 months. Facial patches were clear. But as the patient was near marriageable age, in this patient, as you are seeing, the patches are on the lips and also on the face. We treated this patient using Ayurvedic medication. Patient fully recovered in 4 months, but the lips were not recovered. So what we have used in this case is micropigmentation. We have used micropigments in this case on the lips. So patient is fully recovered using Ayurvedic medication on the face and micropigmentation on the skin. As you have seen in these cases that we are getting very good results using integrative approach. We are using herbal medication to stop the spread of disease. Toxins present in the body are cured or removed using herbal medication internally, and external application of Ayurvedic medication can give very good results, as you have seen in these pictures. But the dedication of the patient is very important in these cases, because what is happening, that whatever results we are getting with Ayurvedic medication along with sun exposure. But in the Western countries, as sun is not available, what we are recommending our international patient is to use Puva lamp. Ayurvedic medication and Puva lamp can give same results as the results we have shown in these pictures. Namaskar.